Welcome to our channel. In the last session, we discussed different tags. Head tag, paragraph tag, horizontal rule, line break, and NBSP. Now, in this session, we are moving into different presentation tags. What is the meaning of these presentation tags? So, display the information according to some requirement of the user. In that, the first tag we are going to discuss is acronym. What the acronym tag specifies? Simply, it gives a full form. And the acronym is a pair tag. Now, suppose CSC is there. What is the full form? Computer Science and Engineering. To represent such a type of full forms, suppose I am writing some test. Right now, full form is not at all required. But if I want to check, I need to check. Now, I will explain this with one example. Then you will get an idea. Suppose I written some message. Welcome to acronym. Okay, here within this one, I written the branch name CSC. I written the branch name CSC. In the acronym, you have one attribute title is equal to computer science and engineering. Okay, this is the full form for CSC. Sir, where it is useful? Why I need this one? Simply go to browser, refresh, observe the output. What is the output? Welcome to CSC. But here, if you place the cursor here, it displays the full form, computer science and engineering. You got the point? For this type of situation, we are using the tag acronym. Clear? Now, next to move to second one, address tag. What is the address tag? Simply for indicating the address. Sir, by writing paragraphs only, you are getting the address. But in the entire information, address is somewhat difficult form. So, generally to display the address in italic format, we are using this tag. Okay, I will show with one example. Remove this one. Address. Okay, in the address tag, I will write down some address. Random address. This is the address I given. And I already said how many number of lines this is displayed. Remember, even though you written in multiple lines with any number of spaces, by default, it will be shown in a single line. Anyway, check. The address is displayed in italic format and in a single line. See, this is the address. Sir, I want to display the address in multiple lines in italic format. What is the tag? You already know BR tag. Simply to break the line. BR is used to break the line. Here also, if you want BR. Now, refresh. See, BR tag is applied. Clear? Now, two tags are completed. One is acronym. Another one is address. Next one. B and strong. B, the name specifies, defines the bold text. Strong is also define the bold text. Generally, if you want to define a bold text without any importance, we are given B tag. Okay. Suppose if you want to give some importance, we are moving into strong tag. Both are pair tags. Anyway, the output looks like same. The output looks like same. Suppose, see this example. B tag Welcome to HTML. Strong tag. Welcome to HTML. Here the output is displayed in the same way. Both B and strong, the output is displayed in the bold format only. No confusion. Now refresh. See, welcome to HTML. Welcome to HTML. The first one is the B tag and the second one is strong tag. Now move to next one. Small and big. By seeing the names only you will get idea. Small. Display the information in small font. Big. Display the information in big font. Big font and small font. So this is big. This is small. Used to display small font size text. Okay, I will show you. Suppose big, big. Red color meaning is it is going to be deprecated in the future. Small. Small is available. Now refresh. Refresh. See, welcome to HTML, that is big. Small, welcome to HTML, that is small. Clear? Everyone clear? Big and small. Now, black code. This tag plays very important role. Remember, black code purpose is simply, see this one, a section that is quoted from another source. I think it seems to confuse. Simply, black code is used to give indentation to your text. To give indentation to your text. Sir, what is the meaning of this indentation? Don't worry. For example, welcome to, I written black coat, my channel. Welcome to my channel. After completion of black coat, I written my channel. Now observe the output. See, welcome to, here my channel is written in the blackboard. Means it gives some indentation. I think you understand. Suppose you are writing a program with some indentations, Python program especially with some indentations. In that situation, black coat is preferred to use. Black coat is preferred to use. So till now, what are the tags we discussed? Acronym, address, B and strong, small and big, black coat. Okay. Now, in the next session, we will move to some more presentation tags. Okay, that's the end of today. Thank you.